Hey everyone, so you want to change that headlight in your GMC Terrain? Well, guess what? It's not that hard, and you only need one tool. Good day everyone, GarageKing here, and on today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to change the low beam headlight in a GMC Terrain in under 3 minutes. I don't know what's up with these long videos, but let's get it done quick. Anyway, one bolt, there you go. I'm gonna throw up an arrow. That's all there is, one bolt, and then we're gonna remove the cover. So what screwdriver do we need? We need a T-20. Let's throw up a little freeze frame there. There you go, T-20, that's all. So let's get our screwdriver in there and let's undo it. And you know what? I think for the rest of this video, I'm just gonna put on some music and let you guys enjoy the remaining 2 minutes of this quick how to change a headlight video. Okay, so I just wanted to hop in here just for a second. Sorry to disturb your music, but once you take it out, you just twist it here. You can see I'm twisting it counterclockwise to undo it. And then I'll pop the bulb out. You just want to make sure when you put the new bulb in that you don't touch the glass. That's the most important thing. Don't touch the glass. Just try to do it touching the plastic. That's it, guys. Any questions, let me know. GarageKing over and out.